Who they fly this drone? Which guy? Canada. I go do you something.
So what would you like to check? So in here, at this point here, should be ready in the next 3 weeks. Only for in the front for everything. When the work we get, we see finish the trades and the culture and the then we're now going to show the semi-finished. There's no choice. So we're looking to combine that. Yeah, you see the height of the floor. So we need to fill it all. We're going to go so here, and then we look at the other height so here. So it's 1 meter from then the floor. Yeah. The only concern we have is a drain canal. So I think that canal a lot of grass going around, so it doesn't flow very well.
Okay, that's that part. The government will get it.
Yeah, and it goes far. It goes very far. So I think that's one major challenge that needs to be addressed. Yeah,
and it's important because it's also waterway.
Yeah.
So we need to.
So that needs to be addressed with urgency. Otherwise, if it rains now and then the water goes up. Yeah. So I'm leaving tomorrow.
Yeah, we were here in December to do a groundbreaking for the 20,000 housing units for the low-income earners. And today, I also felt from the report I was receiving that I should also pay a visit to assess what is going on here. You can see for yourself that the contractor means business. When we came in here in December, it was a bush. That's the truth. And today we can see a lot of buildings ongoing, not just one, not two. It means that the contractor is serious. I'm really impressed. And as a government, one of the things we owe our people, just like the president said today while he was doing a groundbreaking for the Renew Hope City, he said every Nigerian deserves a decent home. We are going to ensure that we give the contractor every support to deliver on that promise that we have made to our people. Let me also say this. I'm also aware that some of the community people are coming up with issues. We didn't just jump into this project. We did all the survey that we needed to do. We took our time to check the land and everything. It's a property that belongs to River State government under the Greater Port Harcourt Agency. That's the truth. We are not taking anybody's land. But however, if you feel there is an encroachment, you should know the right authority to visit. Nobody should come here and disrupt this contractor. That's the truth. Because I'm going to take it personally as sabotage to my government. I know a lot of them are trying to do one thing or the other to sabotage us. I'm not going to take it lightly. In as much as I've been quiet, in as much as I believe that peace is the major ingredient that we need for every development, doesn't mean I will be quiet when I see anybody, I don't care who the person is, that will come here to disrupt this project. If you have a problem, like I said, meet Greater Port Harcourt City, or you meet Ministry of Lands. Your issues will be sorted out. I think for now, I'm happy with what I'm seeing. I will want to encourage him to continue with the good work. Maybe we'll look for another thing and give to him because I think he's a good contractor.
Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.